Hello, gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. I am Winifred Sanderson of the Sanderson sisters from the best movie ever for Halloween, Hocus Pocus. It's our favorite. Cannot wait for part 2 to come out like soon. It's coming out real soon. This is our first Halloween tutorial of 2022 and we couldn't be more pumped. I say we because my husband and I, this is like our favorite time of year besides Christmas. I partnered with Oriental Trading Company to create this look. That's where my wig and my costume is from. I'm gonna link it in the description bar below. So if you wanna see how I got this look, keep watching. Okay, let's be real. The hardest part of this look is the brows. Or actually say, the lack thereof. Okay, I used Elmer's glue sticks. That's the way to do it. And I coated them on, backwards, forwards, up, down, all of the ways, and combed them straight to my face, got out all of the clumps like you can see right here, and then got them as super flush to my face as possible, and then did this again and let them dry in between 4 different times until I felt like it was just a really good, yeah, look, solid coat. And then now what I'm doing is just taking on the loose powder. I'm using a foundation stick here, and that's really because I just want really good coverage. So just use something that's got tons of coverage, blending that in, and then I'm going to do my foundation for the rest of my face, and I'm just gonna layer it on top of the brows. As you can see, I just doubled up again and I'm letting those brows bake. And then for eyes, I found a dark, kind of chocolatey color brown. It was really hard to find a good picture of her eye makeup online because her eyes are always open, so I kind of just winged it. Went with a dark chocolate brown and then a red on the lid, a little bit of mascara, and some Va Va Voom lashes. You cannot forget to contour the smile lines. The blush, it's wacky, but that's how it looks. So I just used a cream blush, and then later I actually went in with the same color lipstick that I had on my lips and then just really topped it off, and it blended perfectly. For me, the funnest part was the lips. I mean, come on. So I just bleached them out or deleted them, like Matt would say. Lots of powder, lots of concealer. Used a pencil to get a super defined line, and then lipstick on top. What really matters though is the wig. It completes the look. So I got both my wig and the costume from Oriental Trading Company, linking them both in the description box below. Go check them out for all of your Halloween needs. The final look, what do you think? I think I want to do another Sanderson sister like Sarah. I mean, should I? Comment and let me know. And what other Halloween tutorials should we do next? Or this season, because we're still early. There's still time. Let me know in the comments. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I love y'all so much. Happy Halloween.